Hi, so we'll be making this beautiful bag. If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to make this beautiful bag, this video is for you. This is my first time trying out a bag. Making this gorgeous bag, you start by cutting a fishing line. I use 0.6 mm fishing line. Make a very long strand and start passing your bead. Pass 5 beads. After passing 5 beads, use one to interlock. Interlock with 1 bead. You can see I was trying so hard when I was interlocking, and that was because I used a very long strand. In case you are just starting, use a strand that you can work with, not too short and not too long. You can always tie if your tying game is lit. Next thing is to join the 2 fishing lines on both ends together and pass 1 strand through both fishing line together, as you can see me doing. After passing both beads into the fishing line, put it at the middle as you can see me doing, and pass it through the other side as you can see me doing. Use one of the sides to pass it through the right side and the other fishing line through the left side to have another strand to work with. Check the video properly and follow what I am doing. To pass the first side of the fishing line through a side of the opposite side and the second side of the fishing line through the opposite side of the fishing line of the bead. Now you have successfully passed the bead through the fishing line through the opposite side of the bead. You can now go round it to make it firmer, or you can continue another 9. Look what I'm doing. Look at it. Take a closer look so you can get it very well. It's very easy. As you can see, both the fishing line are in the opposite sides of the bead that is directly opposite the middle of the one we passed it through at the first instance. Now we are going to work on the layers to expand the base of the bead. Now to expand the base of the bead, you start with 1 small bead on both ends, then 1 big, 1 small, and 1 big. Then you will cross with one of the small beads on the other hand, the one that does not have any big beads. Look carefully. The base is already forming. Now here is the trick. Whenever you're starting, you start with 1 small, 1 big, 1 small, 1 big, then cross with 1 big. The next one you'll be doing, the one that is directly opposite the next bead, you pass the fishing line through the bead, and that will always be a big bead. Pass it as you can see me passing it through. Pass it. then you pass one big bead, one small bead, one big bead, then you cross with one small bead. Look carefully. It, and you can see the base is forming already. You do this all through till the end of the base. When you're about to close it, don't forget, when you're starting, one small bead, one big bead, one small bead, one big bead, you cross with one bead. It is always when you're starting, you put a small bead first. When you continue, you start with a big bead, one big bead, one small bead, one big bead, and you cross with one small bead. So it's just the beginning that is having a small bead and big bead, and the rest till you finish up will always be a big bead, a small bead, a big bead, and you cross with small. Do you understand? Keep doing that all through till the end of the base. That's what I'm going to do. So go and do yours. Go and do yours, go and do yours, go and do yours. And don't always forget, whenever you cross it, always pass the fishing line through the bead, the big bead. Always, don't forget, always pass the fishing line that is near the bead through the big bead before you start another one. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm at the end of the base. I already did it all through, and I'm at the end of the base. So once you're at the end of the base, the fishing line that is beside the big bead or beside the small one, you take it all through the big bead, the small bead, and this big bead till it comes out like this. Then you will close it up, just as I'm doing. I'm passing it through the small bead. The fishing line that is always beside the bead, do not forget. I've passed it through the small bead. Now I'm passing it through the big bead, and I'll pass it through the small bead. I want it to come outside since we are finishing. So this is it for the finishing. Once you pass it like that, you will just close it. One big bead, one small bead, and one big bead. Do you get? See, once you let me tell you the trick of this thing. Once you start, you'll figure it out. Just get the trick, get the beginning. Don't forget, once you're starting, you start with a small bead. Once you finish the layer and you put the stuff inside, when you start doing the base, you start with a small bead, a big bead, a small bead, and a big bead, then cross with a small bead. So that's how you keep doing it till you finish a small bead when you're starting. But once you continue, a big bead. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel.